Nah,
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everybody. Let me introduce myself, I'm Iqbal Rizky. I would like to present Rohingya people in Indonesia. Since November 14, the UN Agency Handle Rivers atau UNHCR noted that Aceh had received 1,075 Rohingya refugees who arrived 6 wave. BBC New Indonesia summarizes information about the background of Islamic minority groups experiencing persecution in Myanmar and rejection in Indonesia. Here are a number of things you need to know to understand the context of Rohingya refugees. What are Rohingya? What are Rohingya? Where are the Rohingya people? Which country are the Rohingya? Where do Rohingya refugees come from? What country the Rohingya come from? Origins of the Rohingya. These are a number of questions that are continuously searched for in search engines. Basically, this question refer to Rohingya identity, citizenship, and country of origin. The Rohingya are a Muslim ethnic minority group who have lived for country in Myanmar, predominantly Buddhist country. According to the UN Refugees again UNHCR, are the Rohingyas part of Myanmar? Historians are divided on what where the Rohingya actually lived in Myanmar before independence from Britain in 1948. Some historians say this community has lived in Myanmar for countries, something that the Rohingya community itself, part of the ethnic group in Myanmar, believe. The second opinions say the only emerged as identity for is the last country. This was the basis for the military junta, the government in Myanmar. The declare them as now arrival from the Indian subcontinent. 1982 become the most important moment for the Rohingya community when the Myanmar government issued the citizen law. Through this policy, the Rohingya ethnic group is not included as Myanmar national rights. As a result, they have become the largest stateless population in the world. As a stateless population, Rohingya families lack basic right and protection and are highly vulnerable to exploitation, sexual and gender-based violence, and harassment, wrote the UNHCR statement. Where do Rohingya refugees come from? De facto, the majority of Rohingya live in Myanmar forest states, namely Rakhine. From a historical perspective, the existence of the Rohingya is not liked by the majority of the population in Rakhine, which is dominated by Buddhists. Rohingya are seen as converts to Islam from other country. Hatred towards the Rohingya from the majority of the population in Rakhine is widespread in Myanmar. When did the Rohingya humanitarian crisis start? Since they have no citizenship, they still live in Myanmar. UNHCR said their life in and livelihoods had experienced violence, discrimination, and persecution in Myanmar for decades. Rohingya people slowly begins to leave Myanmar in the 1990, but the peaks come in the 2017, when a massive wave of violence in Rakhine State forced more than 742,000 people, half the to them children, to seek refuge in Bangladesh. This event was the largest exodus in Rohingya history. Entire villages were burned, thousands of families were killed or separated, and human rights violations flooded humanitarian agency report. It would be better for them to kill us than deport us to Myanmar. An ethnic Rohingya in Bangladesh, Cox's Bazar refugee came to the BBC 5 years after the exodus. Is Indonesia the only place where Rohingya seek refuge? The UNHCR report, as of October 31, 2023, show that 1,296,525 Rohingya refugees seeking protection are spread across number of countries. Bangladesh is the country that accommodates the most, namely 967,842 people, followed by Malaysia 157,731, Thailand 91,339, India 78,731, and finally in Indonesia 882. Even though the number entering Aceh, Indonesia is small, in the last week the wave of Rohingya refugees has increased by more than 100% to around 1,000 people. Director of the Arakan Project, Rohingya Human Rights Advocacy Organization, Chris Lewa, asserted that Indonesia is not the destination country for Rohingya refugees seeking protection. How, however, Indonesia is a transit point because the cannot land in Malaysia or cannot get to Malaysia, said Lewa. Process of Rohingya reverse flying in Aceh strengthened this statement. Rohingya reverse in Malaysia told the BBC that he was there to pay IDR 20 million to send a relative from Aceh to Indonesia. In general, the Rohingya community in Malaysia is a lot larger and they can work even illegal. However, recently the security situation has worsened in the Cox's Bazar camp, making Rohingya refugees prioritize seeking safety. They also hope that Indonesia and become place of refuge. Meanwhile, the Malaysia government states that it will no longer accept Rohingya refugees in the recent years, and this was confirmed again in 2020. Uh, um, Thank you for your attention and thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.